Hey everyone, Michael here from Venturous Real Estate Investors again. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between cash accounting and accrual accounting and why it's important to understand the difference between the two as an asset manager. I know, a very dry, boring subject. Bear with me, it's going to be awesome. So as an asset manager, it is critical to understand the differences between cash and accrual accounting so that you can choose the best accounting system for your properties. Your property manager may already have a preferred accounting system in place, but you will have the power to choose between the two. Okay, so there are two main differences between cash and accrual accounting, and they are how revenue and expenses are recorded. In cash accounting, revenue and expenses are recorded when the cash physically exchanges hands, while in accrual accounting, revenue and expenses are recorded when they are incurred. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Nothing too complicated there, right? So don't think outside. Try not to get wrapped up in the differences between the two. It's not that complicated. All right, let me give you an example here. Let's say you had a vendor that remodeled 10 units for about $40,000. The vendor completed the work and sent the invoice to you in September. However, the invoice isn't due until December. In accrual accounting, the expense would be accounted for when it was received in September. But in cash accounting, if the invoice wasn't paid out until its due date, then the expense wouldn't be accounted for until December. As an asset manager, it's your responsibility to manage the budget, and in my opinion, accrual accounting is the best way to do so because as you have projects completed, you want them accounted for and you don't want to surprise charges popping up several quarters later after they were completed. The same holds true for the revenue collected. Let's say a resident prepaid rent for 4 months. In cash accounting, that would all be accounted for in the month that it was received. And then the following months, your cash collected from that resident would be lower. While in accrual, the prepaid rent would be accounted for across the months it was for. Again, in this scenario, accrual accounting trumps cash. The last point I want to make is that the accrual accounting method is the preferred method of accounting by the GAAP, the Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, which are accounting standards that have been accepted by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. I hope this video helps you understand the differences between the two accounting methods so you can make the best decision for your accounting as an asset manager. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel here and ring that bell so you'll be notified when we release new content. Until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.